Prairie dogs like to live together in one large family or coterie. Each family member has his own entrance to his own house. Nursing mothers live with their babies, but only until the youngsters can live on their own. Several coteries will live near each other, like neighbors, each with their own set of holes. As the families grow and more burrows are dug, the neighborhood grows until large prairie dog towns are formed. One prairie dog town in Texas has over 1 million animals. Researcher Jim Lowry went to the Badlands of South Dakota to study prairie dogs. He set up a watchtower near a prairie dog town. He marked all the burrows of one family with red flags. This family claimed almost an acre of land. Each family has one male leader. He is usually the biggest member of the family and takes the greatest risks. There are 3 or 4 adult females. Once the pups are weaned, the females build burrows of their own. A family can have anywhere from 5 to 31 pups. The friendly pups play with each other, the adults, and members of other families. They even have sleepovers with the pups of other families, but they always return to their own family. Pups stay with their parents for 2 years, then leave to form their own family. Even a researcher like Jim Lowry has trouble telling those small rodents apart. To make his research easier, he caught each prairie dog, weighed it, measured it, tagged it, and painted a large number on its back. Then released it. Each family was painted a different color. Then, from his small tower near the prairie dog town, he could quietly watch the animals. He learned that very young prairie dogs spend a lot of time watching for danger. Danger could be an attack from another animal, or danger could be a land claim from a strange prairie dog. When this stranger wanders into the family's territory, he's quickly attacked. By living together, all the members of a family can protect each other. While one family member eats, another watches for enemies. When danger is near, a warning is shouted. Prairie dogs are constantly talking to each other. They shout out danger. They shout out land claims. This jump and squeak signal is to scare away strange prairie dogs who have wandered onto this territory. The jumper is showing how strong and tough he can be. This is my burrow, and I am strong enough to protect it, he is saying. Prairie dogs not only like to shout, they like to touch. Family members will spend many hours kissing and grooming each other's fur. Prairie dogs greet each other with a teeth-baring kiss. They show their teeth to scare away an intruder. But if the greeting is to a family member, they will start grooming. Grooming cleans the prairie dog's fur of dirt and small bugs. It's all part of staying in contact.